Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's my birthday, and of course every year Josh decides to spoil me for my birthday. And this year, usually I ask him for one big thing, and he got it for me, which I was actually surprised because at first he's like, do you really need them? Anyways, I asked for the Apple AirPods Pro. I have the original Apple AirPods, like the first generation. I got them when they first came out. But, like, I've always, like, kind of didn't like them because of the, like, comfortness. They were not comfortable at all. So, they were never really comfortable, and that was, like, my biggest thing. And I was like, oh, if only Apple could come out with, like, comfortable AirPods. Which they did, and I honestly, sorry if you guys could hear them in the background. Josh is decorating for me, so yeah. But yeah, so I've been wanting these Apple AirPods Pros for so long because of like the gooiness, the gooey thingies on them, like the gummies. They like make your ears feel comfortable, and that's what I always kind of wanted in the Apple AirPods. So I was super excited when these came out, but then I was like, do I really need to get another set of Apple AirPods when mines are just fine? They work perfectly fine, nothing's wrong with them. So then for my birthday this year, I decided to ask for these. I am going to sell my other Apple AirPods because I have no use for them. Josh, I don't want to give them to him because he loses literally everything. And knowing him, he would lose one AirPod and then we'd be out of money. So as far as like reselling them goes. So yeah. But he got me these for my birthday and I'm super excited to unbox them with you guys. You guys know I love doing unboxing videos, especially with Apple products. But yeah, so let's get into this. But before we do, please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. But legit, please subscribe to my channel. I can't ask you guys more than once. Like, I really would love if you guys could do that for me. But yeah, so if you guys would like to see the unboxing on my Apple AirPods, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's unbox these babies. So on this, you just like pull them, I guess. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and take this off. ASMR. Alright. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what comes in the pamphlet. It just says Apple AirPods Pro. It says charge wirelessly. Just wirelessly. God, I don't know why I can't say that. And then it says noise control in control center, so you can control the noise in the control center right there. It says press and hold. It says press and hold, so you could switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. That's cool. Press to play or pause. So you can press the side of it to play or pause. And then it basically tells you in the back like how to connect it. And then a bunch of other random stuff to the side. Now let's get into the actual AirPods. I do know that there's a charger only because I did watch the unboxing. But let's look at the actual AirPods so you could so let's unwrap these. Oh my god. So these are like literally so like smushed. Like compared to the old ones, they're like smushed. So let's connect these real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect these. All you have to do is just basically open up the case. There you go. Yay, connect. I'm connecting. Okay, so they're connected. I'm going to try these out real quick. Oh my god, they feel so much more comfortable than the other ones. Holy moly. You need to buy these. Oh my god, these are amazing. Oh my god, guys, the comfort level on these are freaking spectacular. I definitely recommend. Now let's get into the rest of what's in the box. I do know that there's a charger in here, so let's take a look. So we have our new charger, which I have this charger on my new iPhone X, or iPhone 11, sorry. And it just has a USB like this. And yeah, so I have this exact charger for my phone. And then it comes with adjustable sizes. So that's cool. So you just get different sizes for the gummies to put it on. I'm not even sure if they're called gummies. I'm kind of just calling them. I do wish that they did include a box charger, just because, like, what if somebody didn't have the iPhone 11? What if somebody didn't have the new iPad Pro? Like, you know, like, what are they going to do? They would have to go out and buy the box. But other than that, like, I'm super excited about this. I'm so happy. I can't wait to use them all the time. Like, oh my god, like, definitely getting rid of the old Apple AirPods. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.